Hello everyone. Today we are going to see market surveillance in equity sales and securities market. Surveillance is the most a common word which is not at all interested by individuals as well as institutions because surveillance itself means somebody is watching my activities. No individual, no institutions are interested to permit some other one to look into the matter of ours. But it is not unexceptional by means of looking into the well being of others, though the market, which is meant for everyone, the surveillance is made mandatory. Due to the recent developments in capital markets and the improvement or uh, increasement in the size of income of middle class people, the capital market is provide lot number of opportunities to this middle class people, encourage them to come on the capital market and make the investments in all four type of securities: stock market, mutual funds, real estate, and gold. Even sometime it's a commodities. It's good, and the middle class people more and more is coming to the capital market. The size is does matter by value, as well as the value is also get increasing due to the reason the economy of the country is improved, by which lot of benefits the country is going to be enjoy, no doubt about it. But when this many number of people are coming into the market, and how many number of datas are going to be collected, how many number of transactions are going to be collected, all does its matters. So each and every person related with stock exchanges or capital market is genuinely honored by their commitment. If not, the question mark of what we called integrity is laid off. It is very bad to the capital market. So because of this particular reason, surveillance make it is mandatory by means of securities market. Once we are saying about surveillance, it is very critical by means I am telling that effective surveillance, it's a critical component for well-being of the capital market. Already we had make a note on that one. Being a part of a regulatory process, effective surveillance can achieved through various mechanisms for the benefit of investor by means of investor protection, market integrity, and capital market development. The very idea of surveillance is to spot adverse situations and rectify it and make the more integrity of investors with market. How it is performing or how it is performed by exchanges. Every stock exchanges have the primary responsibility of uh, undertaking the market surveillance and improve the market integrity of investors by means of its size. Imagine that Bombay stock market, imagine that Baroda stock market, imagine that Chennai stock market. By means of size and complexity, level of technical, imagine that a person in Coimbatore can trade in a Bombay stock market. A person in there that New York can trade the Bombay stock market. So imagine that how many technical support is required and how the informations are going to be gathered and how it is going to be collated, how it is going to be analyzed. and also what is the price is involved, what is the volume is involved, what is the broker position, what is the risk management, settlement process, and the compliances. It all make it the surveillance mechanism is more complex, as well as to be in a what we called a tough one from the view of the stock exchanges, but it is mandatory. Stock exchanges are doing properly, and moreover, SEBI have the every right to intervene there, the collecting the information about all the tradings happening in the each and every stock exchanges. If at all SEBI believed it, or it's take a nose on that one, that means something is went on. He has the every right to be get into the issue, take the responsibility with them, and analyze the situations and find out the reason why and give the solution to the particular issue. So we have stock exchanges and always SEBI to protect the interest of the investor. And more importantly, how the stock exchanges are navigating or maybe identifying the issues mean it is a real-time basis technology, which means every time every transactions are happening, or imagine that in a fraction of a second how many number of transactions are happening by means of seeing the on-screen transactions by moment, that means by second there is a lot number of transactions are going. So this will be usually compared with the historical data already stored in the big servers in stock exchanges. By meantime, each and every hour, each and every minute is was compared with the historical data. If at all any abnormal situation is shoot up or raised up, immediately this was identified and taken to the note, and based on that one, the stock exchanges exercises the right of stalling the transaction for a hour, a day, or maybe a number of days, or taking in a particular action. So this market surveillance is important. Market surveillance is bring the integrity of the investors with the stock exchanges, through which the country's economy is going to boost up. So it's very important, and how it is going to be exercised by exchanges. These are all will be discussed in the next slides. Thank you.